Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Microsoft Outlook on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app and click on search and click on keyboard. After click on keyboard, if you want to install Microsoft Outlook, so click on Microsoft. Click on Microsoft Outlook. If you want to install, click on Microsoft Outlook and here showing you install option. Click on install. Your app is installed according to your internet connection. After install app is showing on your app screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Microsoft Outlook on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.